Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore powerful machines and cutting-edge engineering from around the world. In this video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 JF-17 Thunder, a modern multirole fighter that represents the growing strength of Pakistan's aerospace industry. Designed for agility, precision, and affordability, the JF-17 continues to evolve as a reliable combat aircraft for the future. The JF-17 Thunder has come a long way since its early variants. By 2026, the platform reflects years of combat experience, technological upgrades, and international collaboration. The latest version focuses on improved avionics, enhanced survivability, and greater mission flexibility, making it suitable for air-to-air, air-to-ground, and reconnaissance roles in modern warfare. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 JF-17 Thunder is its advanced avionics suite. The aircraft features a modern glass cockpit with a wide-area display, hands-on throttle and stick controls, and an upgraded mission computer. Enhanced data links allow real-time information sharing with other aircraft and ground stations, significantly improving situational awareness during complex missions. Powering the 2026 JF-17 Thunder is an improved turbofan engine that delivers better thrust, fuel efficiency, and reliability. This translates into sharper acceleration, higher operational ceilings, and improved combat radius. The aircraft's lightweight airframe and refined aerodynamics ensure excellent maneuverability, making it highly effective in both dogfights and high-speed interception roles. The JF-17 Thunder is designed to carry a wide range of modern weapons. It supports beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, anti-ship missiles, and a built-in cannon for close combat. With multiple hardpoints and smart weapon integration, the 2026 variant can adapt quickly to different mission requirements without compromising performance. While not a stealth fighter, the 2026 JF-17 Thunder incorporates reduced radar cross-section features and advanced electronic warfare systems. These include radar warning receivers, electronic countermeasures, and improved self-protection pods. Together, they increase survivability in contested airspace while maintaining a cost-effective operational profile. The JF-17 Thunder has gained international attention for its balance of performance and affordability. The 2026 model strengthens its position in the global defense market, especially for air forces seeking modern capability without the high costs of fifth-generation fighters. Continuous upgrades ensure the platform remains relevant well into the future. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder stands as a symbol of modern, practical air power. With advanced avionics, strong combat capability, and ongoing development, it proves that smart design and innovation can deliver a formidable fighter for today's evolving challenges. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more in-depth looks at powerful machines shaping the future.